Alright, here's another episode. I am back to houses, and based on that rattling sound and the title, you can probably guess that these are going to be some handcuffs today. Well, not today, a lot of stuff is today, but anyway, let's just see how much handcuffs weigh. But before we do that, I'd guess 5.81 ounces. Ah, wow. Hold on just 1 second there. $4 more, now it's less, wow. 2.77 ounces. If you readjust them, they'll weigh 2. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was 5.81 ounces, but those Visa gift cards like this house, right? So, any suggestions you have, I'll be more than happy to do a video of them. And, enjoy. Bye.